Story 15. Hatem Ta'eh, having been asked whether he had seen in the world anyone of more exalted sentiments than himself, replied, "Yes, one day I slaughtered 40 camels to entertain Arab emirs. I had occasion to go out on some business into a corner of the desert, where I noticed a gatherer of briars who had accumulated a hillock of thistles, and I asked him why he had not become a guest of Hatem, since many people had come round to his banquet. But he replied, 'Who eats bread by the work of his own hand will not bear to be obliged to Hatem Ta'eh.'" Then I saw that his sentiments were more exalted than mine. And yeah, people's emotions don't have to be ignorant or evil or whatever. It's how they've been trained to respond, or how a person's been trained in associating with them.